Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to mute a conversation on the Discord app for PC after the new update. If you've been getting constant pings or notifications that are pulling you away from what you're doing, muting the chat can be the perfect solution. Let's get started with the process. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once the app has loaded up, you'll see your servers and direct messages available on the left side of the screen. From here, you'll need to find the specific conversation that you want to mute. This could be a direct message with a friend, a group chat, or even a particular channel inside a server. When you've located the chat, hover over or right-click the username or channel name. This will open up a menu with different options available. The new update makes this menu feel a lot smoother, but the steps are still just as easy to follow. Inside the menu, look for the option labeled Mute. Go ahead and select it. Once you do this, you'll notice that you can choose how long you'd like the conversation to remain muted. You might only want to mute it for a few hours, or maybe until you manually turn notifications back on. Discord gives you that flexibility. After selecting the mute option, that's it. Notifications from that conversation will be silenced based on the setting you chose, so you won't hear constant alerts anymore. The chat itself will still be available whenever you want to check in, but the notifications won't interrupt you in the background. Muting is a really helpful feature if you're part of busy servers, active group chats, or if you just need to focus without distractions. It allows you to stay connected without feeling overwhelmed by pings and notifications. So now you know exactly how to mute a conversation on Discord with the latest version of the app. It only takes a few quick steps, and it can make a big difference in maintaining focus while still keeping your conversations within reach.